So we got ourselves a little bit of a leak. A leak as in the fact of an actual price tag for the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Now, keep in mind this is only released in China, different European countries. It's going to be very limited supply run. It's not like it's going to be very plentiful. It's going to be hard to get this device, okay? But the Special Edition, we kind of speculated on this channel that it was going to be in the price tag range of around $2,000, a little bit above $2,000, and that's exactly where we're seeing it sit. So it's going to be coming out on October 25th. That's the confirmed date already, confirmed by the flyer, or their little flyer thing they put out there for emails for people to pre-order. And the price tag is around $2,200. Again, not insanely crazy when you look at the fact that this is supposed to be like the premium edition of the Z Fold 6. And the Z Fold 6 is already, what, $1,899? So now you add in a premium edition for $300 more? I don't know. Like, again, like, I think going into this, everyone has different opinions on what they thought the price tag of this device would be. And $2,200 is not as outrageous as I thought they could go. I really thought they could go up to $25, $26, especially with a limited edition device. I thought they were really gonna, kind of milk the crap out of the fact it's limited edition and try to really jack up the price. But I guess also they want the 1,000 copies to sell. I don't know. Because again, like I said, if there's only 1,000, I put out 1,000 number, but it's a limited number. We don't know exactly the number, but if it's a limited amount, I mean, people are going to buy this phone just for, one thing, resellability, and two thing, just for collectability. So I doubt most people who buy this phone are not buying this phone because they want to use it. Most people are going to say, I'd rather just buy a Z Fold 6, but I want the special edition because I'll keep it in the box and hold it and sell it down the road, or maybe sell it right away and flip it. So most people who buy this phone aren't buying it because they want the phone. So really, Samsung, they could charge whatever they want for this bad boy. They could charge $25,000, $3,000, and because of the limited quantity, people are going to buy it. I mean, there's going to be someone out there who buys the phone for $3,000. So, not really that atrociously bad of a price tag. With Samsung having really the ball in their court, actually did a pretty good job here. But definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.